Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging, y'all. Alright, so first off, thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. I cannot say it enough. I hope y'all enjoy these videos because I'm just trying to put out as much content as I can possibly put out, and I just hope y'all enjoy them. I know I love watching these kind of videos because especially if I'm like, late night scrolling through Amazon and I'm looking at all these diamond paintings and I'm like, I wonder what that actually looks like. Because they show you the pictures, but you really, until you actually see one, you really don't know what it's going to actually look like. So that's what I'm trying to bring to y'all is, real. So, all right, with that being said, let's open this up and see what I got. All right, so this one, all right, it is a poured glue. It is round drills, and y'all, I only gave $4.88 for this one, okay? And this is what I got. Isn't he gorgeous? And the crazy thing is I'm not like real big into owls, but I have found myself buying quite a few of them because they're making the canvases so pretty. But my daughter likes owls, so I figure, if she wants them, she's not going to do them. I'll have to do them. But if she wants them after I get them done, then, I can give them to her because, like I said, she does like owls. But this is a 30 by 40, and it has 30 colors, DMC charted on the schematic. There is a thumbnail in the top left corner, and there is a schematic on the top left, bottom right. All right, so let's look at the kits. You know what? Unless it's up in this bag, they did not put they did not put a kit. They didn't put a kit in here, which is fine for me because I've got like a crap ton of them. But if this was your first time diamond painting and your first diamond paint canvas, you would not have anything to work with. All right, so I was going to say that the canvas, no. All right, so let's see. The canvas number is also on the drills. So, yeah. Let's check this out. It just kind of dumbfounded me that there's no toolkit in here. But, okay. Like I said, for me, no big deal. But for the first time person, that is a big deal. Because, you wouldn't be able to do this without your toolkit. So, alright. Anyway, I might send Amazon a little FYI. But, doesn't bother me any. They might want to check their other kits. Alright, so we'll just kind of go through the drills. And that is another reason why when you first get your kits, I know a lot of people don't even open their package until they get ready to actually sit down and work this canvas. Because y'all, I've had this canvas for probably I don't know, 2-3 weeks now. And I'm just now getting a video of it. But imagine if I had gotten this from a company and did not open this for a month or two. And then when I did, no toolkit. They're not going to fix the problem because you waited too long. So that's why you should always, whether you're going to do it, work your canvas at that time or a month from now, always open them when you get them and do an inventory because you just don't ever know. All right. So, but yeah, that's just something that I started doing from the get-go, and it's like a habit. As soon as I open, or as soon as I get them, I open them. Okay. So the drills look good. Alright, we're going to put this to the side. And I'm going to bring y'all down. Alright, so the drill field looks good. There we go. I think my camera is focusing now. But yeah, I don't see any issues with the drill field. That might be a little blurry, but I think it'd be okay, especially if you have a light pad. Oh, there we go. Maybe it's just my camera not wanting to focus in the lighting, because that looked really good there for a second. All right. So very colorful, absolutely gorgeous. Look, and it's got a flower right there on his belly. But you've got the tree limb right here and his little talons. All right, we'll come back up. But I think he looks pretty good. Good and sticky. Very pretty. Very pretty. And you know, it kind of looks... There's a flower on his head. You know, it sort of... I don't know. It may just be me. I'm just a little weird sometimes. But it almost looks tribal. But I think he's so pretty. And there's more tree coming up here. So what do y'all think? I think it's very pretty. And like I said, I only gave $4.88 for this. And other than missing the toolkit, I think it was a great buy. So, what do y'all think? Has anybody done this one? Leave me a comment. Alright, y'all. I guess until my next video, I'm going to say I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.